Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today's discussions is a vehicle taking a circular turn on a level road. Okay, so consider a car of weight small mg going around on a circular turn of radius r with velocity v on a level road as shown in the figure. So while taking the round, the tires are the vehicle try to leave the road and go away from the center of curve. Due to this force of friction F1 and F2, I will I will write okay coefficient of friction equals to mu, and F1 and F2 act inward at the inner and outer tires respectively, and R1 and R2 are the normal reaction of the ground on the inner and outer tires respectively. I will show it very soon. Now friends, you have to remember few facts in here. You have to remember the centrifugal force. Okay, centrifugal force is a fictitious pseudo force. Okay, and its value is m omega square r. Another force is centripetal centripetal force centripetal force and centrifugal force. Okay, centri the outward radial force experienced by an object when in circular motion. Okay, this is very important for banking of circular track. Okay, I will discuss it very soon, that banking on circular track. Now friends, you have to remember that centrifugal force is mv square by r. It is fictitious, a pseudo force. So it is our experience that whenever a car takes a turn, the passenger sitting in the car start experiences a force. Okay, where which tires to throw them away from the center of the curved path. Now friends, you see I have already told R1 and R2. You will see my diagram R1 and R2. So total force is capital R equals to R1 plus R2. Okay, so R1 is equal to mu capital A. I take F1 and F2, both are inner frictional force. F1 is equal to mu r R1, and F2 is equal to mu R2. Now you see that R1 plus R2 is equal to mg, and mu R1 plus mu R2 is equal to centripetal force. Okay, frictional force provides the necessary centripetal force. So F1 plus F2 is equal to mv square by r, small m v square by r. So mu1 R1 plus mu2 R2 is equal to mu R2 is equal to mv square by r, because F1 is equal to F1 is equal to, so mu R1 plus mu R2 is equal to mv square by r. So mu I can common, mu is equal to R1 plus R2. So we can write it mu mg is equal to mv square by r. So mu mg is equal to mv square by r. So whatever we get the value mu is equal to v square by rg, capital sorry, it is small r, it actually it is not capital R. Okay, no problem. It is small rg. Solve a problem. A bend in a level road has a radius of 100 meters. Find the maximum speed which is car turning this bend and may have without skidding if the coefficient of friction between the tires and road is 0.8. Solution r is equal to 100 meter is given, and rho is equal to frictional force is equal to 0.08 frictional force means coefficient of frictions. Okay, so v square is equal to, we know v square is equal to mu rg, because we know that, sorry, v square not v is equal to mu rg, sorry, and as v square is equal to mu is equal to v square by rg, so it is v. So now we putting the value of r and v is equal to root over mu rg. Mu is equal to 0.8 and g is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Putting the value 0.8 into 100 into 9.8 is equal to 28 meter per second. Thanks for watching.